The CAGE Comparator is a free tool available on NYU Stern's Globalization Explorer at globalization.stern.nyu.edu. It helps users to analyze the effects of distance and differences between a selected country and other countries around the world. This tool is based on Pankaj Ghemawat's CAGE, Cultural, Administrative, Geographic, or Economic Distance Framework. The CAGE framework conceives of cross-country differences as types of distance that influence international flows. The CAGE comparator helps to quantify these distance effects. On the upper left part of the screen are menus to select the type of flow, or indicator, and country from which to analyze distances. On the lower left part of the screen are estimates of how different types of distance affect the flows being analyzed. On the right part of the screen, the results of the analysis are displayed. To see how this works, simply select an indicator and a country at the top left. The CAGE distance impacts at the lower left now show the estimated effects of each type of distance for the selected flow based on historical patterns. Impacts above 1 increase flows, below 1 decrease flows, and 1 itself means no impact. For example, the Common Official Language value of 1.1 for merchandise exports means countries that share a common language are expected to trade 1.1 times more, that is 10% more, than countries that don't share a common language. And the physical distance value of 0.6 means that a pair of countries that are twice as far apart as another pair are expected to trade only 0.6 times as much, that is 40% less. Moving to the right part of the screen, in the first column of the results table, you will see the partner countries ranked first to last based on their geographic distance from your focal country, which is shown in the second column. Alternatively, you can sort the ranking of countries based on any other column by clicking on its heading. The CAGE distance is located in the third column. CAGE distance is what geographic distance might look like if it incorporated the effects of all the types of distance into a single number. This is an indicator of market accessibility. The fourth column will show you the size of each country based on either GDP or population. This is an indicator of overall market size. The fifth column shows the percentage of the focus country's flows with each country in the table. This is an indicator of current market penetration. The sixth column shows the predicted percentage of the focus country's flows with each partner country, using just distance and size effects, which can be viewed in the Gravity Model tab. This gives a very rough indication of market opportunity. The last column shows the predicted percentage of the focus country's flows with each partner country using the full model, including effects specific to each country and partner. This gives an indication of market opportunity constrained by how countries normally interact. The Gravity Model tab shows the model this analysis is based on. Advanced users will recognize this as a log linear regression model with fixed effects. More information on this feature is available in the Help section. Navigating back to the distance analysis, you can adjust the impacts of the CAGE variables and see how the results change. This feature helps with understanding how sensitive the results are to changing distance impacts. Make sure to hover over the partner countries to view a quick summary of its similarities with the focus country. Remember that this is a general model covering all countries and flow types using a limited set of distance variables. Country and industry-specific analysis is required to confirm opportunities. Thank you for watching.